Hello, and we're taking a nice coffee break right now. I like live streams, but I can't be on them all the time because I'm busy. And Colin has to run a few things, and Colin has his patio garden and a few other things. I hope you people have planted gardens and start preparing on your food stocks. Now, I've seen a lot of people make videos, either some places don't have food, other places stores closed. Even other places, they say, everything's fine. Our local Costco's full of food. Yeah, until they look at the prices. Remember, folks, this is a reality check. A lot of those places only have 3 days worth of food. Okay? Once they don't get deliveries or they have to shut down the store, you're going to be empty. Now, a lot of people in LA did not believe what I was telling them. This one area, they lost their big box stores. It closed. So they had to drive another 15 to 20 miles to go to a grocery store because all the mom and pop stores were closed because of stupid actions. Okay? So you're in your neighborhood and you don't have a grocery store open. Where are you going to get your food? A lot of old timers are smart. We plant a couple of gardens or 3 gardens. You guys who just started prepping has to have this reality check. This is part of the Starvation series. Understand this. You better start planting. You better get a garden. You better know what you're doing. And if you haven't started planting, you're running late. Because the way things are going, I have friends who are telling me, oh, don't worry, a lot of my trucking friends saying this and that and this and that and distribution points, this and that. We have plenty of food. Then my serious friends, which I won't mention because they're still working, they say we only have 3 days food supply. If anything goes wrong, kaput. All right? This is regional. And they said the worst ones are going to get hit are the mountain states, central, and East Coast because they haven't prepared. And we're going into tornado and hurricane season, folks. So put that in your cup and you drink it. This is a reality check. Starvation 101. Do not buy milk and bread every time there's a storm coming on. It's like Tom Cruise and Invasion of the World. We'll get some milk and bread and some peanut butter and jam. Maybe some Tabasco sauce. No. And you throw everything in a box. It doesn't work like that, folks. You better prepare. This is your reality check. Now, if you haven't been planting, I hope Steve plants a few tomatoes. Those are green things with the round red things, Steve. And some bell peppers and a few vegetables right now. That's as easiest to grow in this climate. Can't believe you missed tomato mania. Because a lot of us old timers in LA knows about tomato mania. Okay? Steve will learn. Get your garden. It's real easy to do, Steve. Not rocket science. Pick up Ron's book, The Green Wizard Guide to Gardening. Easy, funny as hell. And we buy him out. He's going to write volume 2. So everybody help out Ron Netzel. Go on Amazon, look for the Green Wizard Guide. Okay? Now I have to keep this fairly short. And this is a reality check, folks. Reality check for the Starvation series. Okay? Your store only has 3 days worth of food for your area. It's a small area. Each store has figured out geometrically how many people will buy so much. Within 3 days' time, if they don't get resupply, everything's gone. There's no storage. There's no back stores. It wasn't designed like that. It'll be gone. If you don't see it, it's gone. Tough luck. And I'll catch you later. You have a nice day.